With the HDO's 12-bit ADCs and low-noise amplifiers, the spectrum analyzer's FFT has increased sensitivity and higher dynamic range than 8-bit oscilloscopes. Access Spectrum Analyzer mode by pressing the front panel button or from the Analysis pull-down menu. Center frequency, frequency span, and resolution bandwidth controls are easily accessed from the menu. Multiple vertical scaling formats are available based on viewing preference and requirement. Up to 20 markers are available to either automatically or manually analyze the frequency content. Peak markers continually identify peaks within the FFT, and a table provides the detailed frequencies and amplitudes. Spectrum Analyzer can automatically find and mark the fundamental frequency and all harmonics, or markers can be manually positioned. The interactive table can be used to display the delta frequency and delta amplitudes from a reference marker. The spectrogram feature will show how the FFT spectra are changing over time. This mode shows a history of the spectral content and can be viewed in either a flat 2D plot or interactive 3D display.